Hi, here I am going to show you how to create, update and delete the data in MySQL with an web interface built on PHP. So before that I would like to show you the versions that I have in my PC like PHP and the web server and MySQL. So for MySQL we have to move to the directory. This is the DB version that I have in my PC. Actually this is the OS X version, so it is quite different compared to the rest of the operating systems. So let's start the MySQL server from the preferences. So it's already running, so let's start the web server. So server is already loaded, so it is also running. Let's check with the website localhost index. This is the web interface that we can control the DB from the user UI. So here we can add the data. This is the form that we have a first and last name and the city. So once we add the data, we can get the operations like edit and delete. So let's log into the MySQL server as a root user. So let's check the databases that are available. These are the DBs that I have. This is the new one recently that I have created. So use the new database. Sorry. Now check the tables that I have available in the DB. This is the only one table that I have in the database. So check the data that I have anything in the table. So I don't have anything in the particular table. If you want to check the prototype of the table, this is a description command. So let's add some data from the user interface means web page. So I would like to give them a name. So it will pop up with the further confirmation. So now we can update and delete the data. So let's check whether the changes made effect here in the DB or not. So you can see we can have a new data in the users table. If you want to update means we can just click on the edit button, so it will allow you to update the information. Like I would like to change the name something else, update. Now it was updated with the new name. Index.php file by default retrieve the information from the DB. So let's check here. See, the now name is changed as Anji. We can delete the information in the DB from here itself. So we can just click on the delete. So check here. Now you can see empty set, there is no data available here. Let's move to the web server root directory. These are files that I have when I created this project. Edit data.php file to add the information in the DB. It will allow us to edit and delete the information. Index.php file to retrieve the information from the DB table information, and DB configure. This is the main crucial role that plays in this project. So let me show you what you have in the DB configure PHP file. It will establish a connection from PHP to the MySQL. So once we connect with the DB, we can retrieve, update, and delete the information. So here I'm keeping a host name as localhost root user, and the password is password itself. So that's it, and I'm using the VA text editor because I'm a little familiar with the editor. And index.php file. So you can see, if we here we have included the db config.php file. So this is the HTML form. So to display first name, last name, city name, and operations. Here the query, we can retrieve the information from the DB. I have used the DB div tag and the center body, different tags to represent the table and the header information. So that's all. In editor here also you can see I have included this db config PHP file. So it is a shortcut way means we can directly import the db config.php file. So here is the JavaScript that will pop up with the windows with for the confirmation, and it will give the alerts that once we added the data into the database, that is data is successfully inserted, or it will alert you with the pop-up message. So here add data PHP file, that it has 3 fields: first name, last name, and the city. Let's go to the data PHP file. So here also we have imported means db config.php file. So mainly it plays the crucial role, as I said. I have a readme file that I included in the project. So you can see what are the issues that I faced when I installed the MySQL PHP and when I try to establish a connection with the DB. So you can see everything in the process, also the process and the issues that I faced. So this is the blog that I followed to install the Apache PHP and MySQL on macOS. Thank you. That's it.